guys, welcome back to the channel. Clint bought a new side-by-side. It is a Yamaha Wolverine R-Max 1000.
Another financial mistake.
Has 108 horsepower, 1,850 pounds. And Christian is here with his 1000 Polaris General, 100 horsepower and 1,712 pounds. Clint's actually only has like 20 miles on it, so we're gonna take you guys along with and see how they perform. Well, apparently we're going to our buddy Alex's, so you're just gonna break this thing in one day, huh?
I guess.
So we're gonna cruise out there, get his broke in, and then we're probably gonna do a little test hit, see which one takes off faster. So here we go. Do a little test hit.
Ready?
Do it. Oh, spin it, dude. What? Yeah. Definitely no Maverick X3.
Hey, better than what you got.
That's true. Lives out here in BFE. You got a Honda Talon. See if it does any burnouts. Well, doesn't look like you're gonna be riding with us today. Show me what you did.
It'll be fine.
And then you got these badass ones in here now. What are these called?
L&W.
So those are billet aluminum, right?
Yep.
Get me there, boy. Got an excuse when they lose. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little race. We'll do a little pre-race commentary. What do you guys think is gonna happen here?
It's gonna be close. Be fast and be last, baby.
All right, you got any rebuttal to that?
Let's see what happens.
All right, when I drop my left arm, you guys are going. Oh my God! Oh. Oh, I can't even see it. They're not stopping. They're still going. All right, well, they just left me. I think they ended up going like a half mile. We'll see what they say when they come pick my ass up. So who won?
I got him by a couple, I think.
By a couple links? Couple cart links? Dang, how do you feel about that?
Turbo time.
You guys, we're gonna go round two. I'm gonna stand down the finish line this time so you guys can see how close the race was. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be a little scared. Oh. Oh! Yamaha by like 2 cars. Woo! All right, since Christian gets gapped every time, I'm gonna ride it with Clint. All right, so 1, 2, 3, go. No red line.
Okay, I got it.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, well, I think it's safe to say the Yamaha Wolverine R-Max is the winner for today. Beats the General. And
I think she's broken.
yeah. How many miles you got on her?
Let me go to 54 miles.
54 miles in 5.8 hours. Good little break-in session, just doing test hits on the road.
The face
of defeat. Okay, well, after a little bit of test hits, we figured out that the Yamaha R-Max is a little bit faster. Christian's a little bit salty about it.
Hey, moving sign, man. It's accurate.
He claims he's gonna get a turbo kit now. We'll see if he actually holds up to that. But in my perspective, riding both of them was super comfortable. They both ride super smooth. We haven't really taken either one of them on jumps yet. I think Christian has, but frankly, I don't think he really drives it that hard anyway yet. They both look awesome. They both drive awesome. If you guys have any suggestions of what Clint should put on his side-by-side, drop them in the comments. Christian's already bought like half of everything he can for his, so he doesn't have a whole lot to buy. But that's gonna be it for this week's video. Come back next week, see where we tear up. We'll see you later, guys.